This is a lot of fun.
Hi.
Hey, Mommy's out here with a video camera.
Today is Steven's first day in the pool. And he is looking good.
He was pretty scared when I first put him in here. I think he's still a little bit scared.
Yeah, he looks a little tense. This is our new pool. Just for his swimming pleasure and Sterling's, of course.
He's loving it. It's a nice day in Michigan. The sun's out, warming up the water.
Yeah.
He got a little bit bold there and he leaned really far forward. I think he was going to go deep sea diving or something.
Oh my.
I had to hold him back.
All in due time, all in due time.
He likes that song, the 50 song.
Yeah, why don't you sing in the Fifi song for us?
There he goes. Down in the meddy in an itty bitty pool swam three with 50s and a mama 52. Twin said the mama 50 twins with 10 and they swam right over the thing. Boot boot, not bottom bottom, shoo. Boot boot, not bottom, shoo. We said Steven's 50, this is a lot of fun, and they swam till the day was done. Twin said mama 50 twins with 10 and they swam right over the dam. Whee!
How fun.
You like swimming okay? Yeah, he's nice and cool.
Good.
Hit that ball.
You guys have fun.
Okay.